Morning.
Morning.
Saturday morning and my hair is a mess. I'm sorry.
We are about to go to the market and
We're
get
gonna
some food.
pick up my nan, go back to the market. I might show you a few more stalls that I didn't show you last time. Because I'm pretty sure I missed some that were like kind of cool.
Yeah.
So yeah. Last night was fun. My hair's gonna be a mess today because I can't bother changing it. It's my clubbing hair. It was a lot of fun. If you're ever gonna come to Raro, you need to go out for some drinks because everyone likes to party.
So what bars did you go to?
We went to Baiana's, which was a nice one. It's on the beach, and it closes at 10 though. I found out the other day. I think they do performances sometimes.
Oh yeah.
Like fire dancing, but I don't know when.
Yeah.
Like I think it's a bit random.
Yeah.
And then we went to Luna Bar, which was actually really cool. They had a live band, and it was a lot more island music than it was
R&B or
Western R&B and all that kind of stuff. So it was really, I quite liked it. I enjoyed myself. And then we went to Rehab, which is the nightclub.
Rehab.
Yeah, and what do you call it? It's on the sand, so it's nice, and there's a giant stage. And yeah, it was fun. Got into the VIP section because my auntie just knows people. and my uncle, really. They used to go there a lot. So actually, my auntie used to work there. So it's a lot better if you know someone. Okay.
Yeah. Catch you later.
So just a quick update. We drove to pick up my nan, and then we're on the way to the market, and Jackson noticed a light flashing, and we believe it turns out that the water has run out in the car. So now we're pulled over randomly, water in hand, and do you know where to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oi.
He fixed it. Well done, Jackson. No more flashing, and we are back on our way back to the market.
Just got our iced coffee. No, haven't got our iced coffees, but we've got our breakfast burritos. 3 breakfast burritos from Kai & Co. They're so good. But yeah, now we just gotta wait for our coffees and eat our kai and Kai time.
We're back at Ponganui Market. Oh yeah, Jackson brought me a necklace from the shell shop.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice. Currently hiding in the shade because it feels like it's 500 degrees outside. I'm sweating so much. And Nellie's nan is busy discussing her life story.
She talks to too many people.
So we're waiting on her. Chambers lost and found his phone. But yeah, just here at the market. Very busy, very hot. There's Nelly. Oh yeah? Just got a shaved ice to help with the heat. They recommended mango and raspberry, so very good. Alright. Kirana.
We're at my nanny's house. We're trying to fly the drone. Trying to get some shots of the mountain.
That's where the kids always.
Oh, there it is.
It was close.
It's cool, eh? Bye. Showing nanny. Oh, there you are.
Howdy.
Hi. I just came to. I want to show you my uncle did a makeshift smoker, and yeah, my uncle built a makeshift smoker, and they're smoking some fish. He made brisket the other night. It was really good brisket. But practicing all for New Year's dinner. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And Caleb and Ronnie just came back from getting food because I don't feel like fish. Eee.
Cook is here. Leave it alone. Nah, you look at the cavity, the stomach. Yeah, it's still raw.
Not white.
Not ready to turn.
Oh, the inside.
Yeah.
It looks like it. So yeah, so that's what they're eating for dinner. It looks good. I already ate. I didn't realize that there was gonna be that food. So I had corned beef and eggs. Just gonna go look at the beach. Looks so nice. It's low tide. Oh, there's some tourists on the beach. But yeah, so the fish looks good. I think I'm still gonna taste it, see what it tastes like. It looks good though, so yeah. See what it is. Maybe in like half an hour. We'll see. The finished product.
Really just want to slap it. No, like just full on like punch it and like watch it explode.
No. Got the. I think Uncle said that was a flying fish.
Oh, that's sick.
And then the coconut and the.
Are
Taro.
you gonna like throw it like a paper plane?
What?
Should set up like get two.
A little bit.
Wait, how did you do that?
That's really good actually.
Fish.
We didn't.
I don't like fish.
Really?
Well, like,
Did you pay money to do
I would never choose to eat it.
That's fair.
that?
Descale it,
Or did you cheat?
debone it.
No.
It is a lot of work to be honest. There's a bone.
I'll eat fish and chips.
That's a scale. Because it's deboned and scaled already. And it's deep fried.
And steak fry.
Dip it in the coconut.
You want to go out?
It is really good actually.